In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Asana effectively. Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your project management skills, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Let's begin by getting you to the Asana website, which can be accessed at www.asana.com. If you're already a user, simply click on Login and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. For those who haven't yet signed up, you'll want to click on Get Started or Try for Free to create an account. This will allow you to explore Asana's features and find out how it can meet your project management needs. Once logged in, it's time to move on to creating your first task. Navigate to the workspace and select the project where you'd like your task to reside. This ensures everything stays organized within the correct area. When you're in the project, click on the plus add task button. If you're already browsing through the task list, you can also press enter to begin creating a new task swiftly. Now let's delve into adding the crucial details to your task. Start with a clear, actionable task name, something that instantly communicates what needs to be done. Next, fill in the description field with any relevant context or specific instructions that are necessary for the task at hand. If the task has a deadline, don't forget to set the due date. This keeps the team on track with timelines. You can also upload attachments if there are any relevant files that need to be shared with it. Now moving on to subtask creation, which is optional but can be very helpful in breaking down larger tasks into more manageable pieces. Click on the task, then select Add Subtask to create smaller actionable steps that support the main task. This feature is particularly useful for complex projects that require collaboration among multiple team members. With the task created, it's time to assign it to the right person. Open the task you just set up and locate the Assignee field, usually marked by a person icon. Here you can enter the name of the person to whom you'd like to assign the task. Asana also allows for tagging the task with priority levels, such as high, medium, or low, using tags or custom fields. This is a great way to signify the urgency or importance of a task to your assignee. Finally, enhancing team collaboration is made easy with Asana. If you wish for other team members to follow the progress of the task, you can click Add Collaborators. This ensures that they receive updates, keeping everyone informed and engaged. By following these steps, you'll be setting a well-organized foundation for your team's productivity. Keep practicing, and soon, managing tasks in Asana will become second nature. Enjoy the efficiency and collaboration this tool brings to your projects.